In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to format a novel in Microsoft Word for self-publishing. Proper formatting is one of the most important steps in preparing your manuscript for platforms like Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing or other print-on-demand services. A well-formatted novel not only looks professional, but also ensures a smooth reading experience for your audience. Let's begin with your page setup. Open your manuscript in Microsoft Word and click on the Layout tab. Select Size and choose the trim size required by your publishing platform, such as 5 by 8 inches or 6 by 9 inches. Next, click on Margins and choose Custom Margins. For print books, you'll need slightly wider inside margins to allow space for binding. Adjust the inside margin to be larger than the outside margin and make sure the multiple pages setting is set to mirror margins. This ensures proper formatting for left and right pages. Now let's format your text. Highlight your entire manuscript by pressing Ctrl and A. Go to the Home tab and choose a readable serif font such as Times New Roman or Garamond. Set the font size to 11 or 12 points. Then open the paragraph settings and set line spacing to 1.15 or 1.5 for print formatting. Make sure alignment is set to Justified to give your novel a clean, book-style appearance. For paragraph formatting, remove extra spacing before and after paragraphs. Instead of adding blank lines between paragraphs, use a first-line indent. In the paragraph dialog box, set the special indentation to first line and adjust it to 0.3 or 0.5 inches. This is the standard format for most novels. Next, format your chapter titles. Place each chapter title on a new page by inserting a page break. Go to Insert and select Page Break. Center the chapter title and consider using a slightly larger font size. Avoid using bold excessively. Keep it simple and clean. You should also add page numbers. Click on Insert, then Page Number, and choose a simple bottom center or bottom right option. Typically, front matter such as the title page does not display a page number, so you may need to insert section breaks to control this. Finally, review your manuscript carefully. Check spacing, margins, alignment, and consistency throughout the document. Save your file both as a Word document and export it as a PDF if required by your publishing platform. Formatting your novel correctly in Microsoft Word ensures your book meets professional standards and is ready for self-publishing success. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.